Hi, my name is Sylvie and welcome to Arts of Course, where you paint watercolors you love, have fun and relax. Maybe you're like me. When I started painting, I had so many ideas in my mind of all the beautiful paintings I was going to do. But then, whenever I painted, it just felt like a complete disaster. I was feeling ashamed and incompetent, and I thought I would never be able to call myself an artist. I really struggled with staying motivated, and I also didn't know where to go to find the proper guidance. It took time, but I found ways to push through, and I'm now an active member of the Federation of Canadian Artists. I did all of this while running a television production company with my husband, Greg. Greg is also a painter, and we've decided to combine our filmmaking expertise with our love of watercolors to create this channel. Our goal is to inspire you and give you all the guidance you need on your watercolor journey. We're currently working with master watercolorist Jess Rice. His videos were created to answer your questions and give you all the tips and tricks you need to create wonderful watercolors. So that's what this channel is about, giving you all the techniques and the inspiration you need on your watercolor journey. So let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge? And please don't forget to subscribe.